All right, this is the assignment of Story of You for Mr. Genesis Social Studies class. It is worth 10 points. It was due the first week of school. What you need to do is write about you. You are going to write, he's asking for 2 paragraphs. I want a minimum of 1. You need to start with your birth and tell about yourself until now. So go in order. So I'm going to read what he has written here. And some of the stuff is highlighted. That means those are ideas of things that you could talk about yourself. So what is your story? This year in social studies, our focus will be on the United States history from 1800 to present. Understand that history is about stories and connections, not just dates, people, and ideas. You will be doing similar work that historians do. This will include reading, using and creating maps and timelines, writing and accessing information from online sites, books, texts, and primary sources. Your most important means of communicating your thoughts, reactions, ideas, and learning is through writing. In the space below, you will provide an example of historical writing by completing a brief autobiography. In your example, you could include places you have lived, siblings, brothers and sisters, travel, schools that you've attended, family traditions, friends, etc. Your autobiography should be written chronologically. That means from birth till today. So ultimately, it is your story. You may only use the space provided on this piece of paper. You should have at least 2 paragraphs in your story. So remember, I need write about you, at least 1 paragraph, try to get to 2. Start with your birth and tell us about yourself until now. And those highlighted things could include places you've lived. So if you were born, like we all were, you're going to tell us where you were born and when you were born. So I was born in White Bear Lake on October 5th. That would be my starting, okay? I have 6 brothers and sisters. Then I would tell about the places maybe I traveled that I enjoyed, schools that I went to, any family traditions that are important to you, and then friends that are important to you. Anything else that's important to you or that you would like me and Mr. Genesis to know. Good luck. Do a little bit of spell check, but this is not a spelling test. Just do your best and give it a try. All right, thanks.